He's known as the last 400 hitter, and he is the first African American to play in baseball's Pacific Coast League.
When Artie Wilson hit .402 for the Birmingham Black Barons of the Negro Leagues in 1948, few people noticed. But in an indirect way, that accomplishment would lead him to Oakland, California, where he would make history. He was signed by the New York Yankees because of his bat and told to report to the minor league affiliate in Newark, New Jersey. But Wilson wouldn't go because he was making more money in the Negro Leagues. The Bronx Bombers sold Wilson to the Pacific Coast League's Oakland Oaks, who were coached by none other than future Yankee skipper Casey Stengel. Wilson became a fan favorite who was known for his skills with the bat and his speed on the base pass. In fact, he was so popular that when he was brought back after his stint with the New York Giants, 6,000 more fans than could fit into the Oaks Stadium came to see him play.